talk about how can you change language on your hotel's Banco map. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account down here. When just click here on account, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down, keep going down here, then you click here on security and settings. You just click on it here. When you just click on it, then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just go down, click here on language here. We just click on language, then it's going to show for you like this. We'll just find here English and here Spanish here, and you can you select, then you click here on down, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.